Hi guys, how are you doing? How are you doing tonight? I'm here. It's morning now in the Philippines. Right here in the UK, still night. It's nearly 11 p.m. Pero, how are you doing? Ito ako. Off ko ngayon. No work. So, yeah. Happy day. Now, ano guys, alam mo, nag-ano kasi ako. Ano tawag nito? I'm watching the other Filipino Filipino YouTube. So I'm supporting them, and I hope someone as well will support me to subscribe in my in my channel. And yeah, I wish you just like to watch the YouTube, and even you click my YouTube video, some of it's just make mukbang like eating and eating. And then at first, guys, I have a other YouTube channel, and then all of a sudden I forgot the password. So I can't get it back. So I don't know what to do because of it's been maybe a few years before I go to the Philippines. And that time was the illness that we have, the entire world is affected. Then I stay in the Philippines. Maybe I done many times of videos in there and do mukbang at first year. And then when I was here in the UK, I make a video that time. I done that, and I do the baking and mukbangs and etc. And some places in the Philippines as well, but I cannot get it back because when I change my phone as well, I forget that password. So when I make it, I didn't make another YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm here, guys, having this biscuits and crackers, you mean. And then yeah, this is my daily life. And then I'm gonna take you into the kitchen again because here in the kitchen I have cooked my fish. Then I put napa cabbage. Let's see, napa cabbage, and I let you show the fish that I have is the big one. This fish go. It's a whole thing because I like that the idea of having a whole fish, but I did clean it much. I cleaned very well, and then I put some cabbage, tomatoes, lemongrass, and the lemon, and green peas, and chili. If you see, there's a green peas on there, and kasi naman, niluto ko ng gusto. I did cook it well. I really suppose not to. But, never mind. Kasi, I'm cooking as well for my husband. This is a surprise food. Surprise food for my hubby. When he is coming home. When he arrived. Gonna have his food. But I don't know if I can make it right. This one. This is a liver, carrots, green peas, and tomatoes, red bell pepper, and seasoning. So oxo. That's the oxo. Yan guys, that's a slow cook. The slow cooking. And here. That's a slow cooking guys. A slow cooking. Just made it like that. It's warm. But I don't know how many hours to cook this. Well, I have my soup. I mean water. I'm going to have a soup, really, for me to try the fish sauce, fish soup. I have my. I'm very excited in this, having the soup and the vegetables. I don't like chili this time because I don't have rice. It's good to have chili when you have rice, honestly. Just like that. I don't need to have a fish yet. Just this soup. Okay, this one. So I'm so excited. Can cover it. So let's try. Let's try. This. Try natin to kasi inahan ko talaga siya ng lemon. Oh, wow. Lemon and lemongrass. One lemon. It's enough to have a sour feeling. Sour taste. Yes, guys. Sour taste. I'll just leave it there for a while. I'm gonna take my water because I'm not cooking anymore of that fish. I'm done. And yan, hi guys! Merry Christmas, everyone. Ang nice ng ano ko, mayroon pang star. It's very nice kasi mo, maarte yung asawa ko. Siya yung naglalagay-lagay ng mga ganyan. O yan, siya bumili niyan. Kasi fanatic yan ng Christmas. Anything Christmas decoration. My husband is very. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan ang kinakain ko pag nandito ako sa UK. Mayroong nuts, any kind of chocolate, as long as there's a nuts. But I didn't show the name because sabi nila, nagpo-promote ka kapag pinakita mo sa social media yung whatever you eat and then you put it the brand, show it the brand. So I'm better not to. Yan. Ayan. Tapos, aside from mayroon akong hot water, mayroon din akong vitamin C. Ayan. Vitamin C. Masarap kasi. Having vitamin C and with peanuts. I have peanuts here. Salted peanuts. And I have ang tawag nito? Walnuts. Ano ako guys? Kaya yung kain-kain lang dyan. Hindi na ako ganong nagfo-focus sa, oh, you should eat rice and rice. By yummy. Siyempre, later, hindi ako tutulog. Pero I'm going to bed at 1 p.m. And then, I just leave my cooking like that. Because, ano siya eh, slow cooking. Slow cooking yun, guys. Teka guys, kasi ginawa ko na yung biscuit. Biscuit ulit. Ano lang? What was it say? Thank you very much, guys. Kinuha ko yung biscuit para additional for my knickknacks. Look. Just like this though, I'm working in a biscuit company. Hindi ko napakita itong brand niya. Ganyan ako guys, kain konti, kain dyan, kain dito. Hindi ako gaanong kumakain ng focus ba talaga sa one thing, like rice, no. Ganyan lang. Tapos iinom ako nitong vitamin C. Liquid. Parang juice. I was thinking to have my nails to be done on my off time. But the thing is, expensive na. Ang lamig-lamig pa dito para pumunta sa town. Plus, yung 2 weeks lang, tapos tatanggalin na. So, imagine that the 20th of December, pwede talaga akong magpalagay ng nail extension before ako pumunta dun sa anak ko. Kasi, doon ako sa kanya magka-Christmas. I was hoping na makasama ko talaga asawa ko sa Christmas. What happened is, hindi. Kasi, mga apo ko, gusto pala akong pumunta doon. Eh, siyempre, I've been long time in the Philippines. 9 months ako doon. But naintindihan naman ng asawa ko yun na it's been long time I've never seen them. More than a year. Dami ko na-miss sa kanila. Yun nga lang pamilya ko. Ayaw ko pang anuhin. Naintindihan ng asawa ko yun. Marami siyang gagawin pati dito. Meron yun siyang problema sa anak ng lalaki. So, I don't need to grab him to go to my daughter's place. But, of course, he is welcome there anytime. My daughter's door is always open. Hindi kagaya ng mga anak niya, not like his family, na kailangan mo tumawag, let them know if they're there, if he can stay, but he can't stay talaga. There's no extra room. In my daughter's place, even though they have a small house, 3-bedroom house, unoccupied na yun, all occupied, we still can lay down in the living room. We're welcome to do that. You see? That's the difference of having a Filipino family and having a British family is so different. Yes. Thank you guys. Now I'm finished. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.